Hi there, cozy introverts or extroverts. I've taken a little bit of a break if you haven't noticed, but I kind of had a really rough few weeks and I just needed some time for myself. So I was thinking of just doing this cozy little vlog with you guys today, focusing a bit on my mental health, getting back into some hobbies, and just sharing the day with you guys. Been really cold here lately. It's like 4 degrees in the mornings and it's been raining on top of that. I absolutely love the rainy, cold weather. It's such a nice time to get all snuggly and cozy, grab yourself a nice little warm cup of cocoa, just watch some series or movies. And the best part is you can layer your clothing so you can be a little bit more fashionable, which I love. So yeah, today I'm gonna be exploring a new hobby, showing you guys what it's like, and then just taking you guys through the day with me. Grab yourself something nice and comfy to drink, and let's get into it. Okay, so I got a little pottery painting kit from Crockd. Look how cute this illustration is. That's so cute. I love the branding. Pretty painting kit. Ooh. Get out of your head and into your hands. Inspo book. Oh, that's pretty cool. Got some nice paint inspiration here. This cute little flip me over, use me as your paint palette. Okay. Then we've got this little ready to paint bubble vase. Ooh. Oh, that's really cute. We've got some ceramic sauce. Glaze set. Okay. Do your clay a favor. Oh, we got a few colors actually. Put them all there. We got 7 colors in total. These beautiful colors. Then we've got some brushes and a little sponge and a pencil. Glazing guide. Cool, so we'll be doing all of this today. Okay, so I'm excited to get into this hobby today and learn something a little bit new because I haven't really done any ceramics or glazing before. So this looks really fun. And yeah, before I begin, I kind of just need some inspiration because I really don't feel like figuring out something to paint on here out of my head. I guess you could say I'm like someone that if I buy a really pretty notebook, I don't really want to write in it unless it's something really pretty, and then I end up not writing in it at all. It's the same for drawing. Like I have a digital tablet that I use to sometimes just make digital drawings, and sometimes I just sit there and think, what am I gonna make? And if I can't do it really well, then I just end up not doing anything at all. So inspiration helps me a lot. I'll maybe just look at what looks pretty, what works in my home, and just go for that. Like, there's no rules here. We can do whatever we want. We've got free will, right? We're adults now. But first, I think I need to make some coffee as well. So yeah, let's have a little coffee break. Oh. And I hope it hasn't curdled. That would be a disaster. It kind of looks curdled. No, that tastes fine. Oh. We go a nice little cozy drink to get started with our nice little hobby today. So I kind of don't think I can do this hobby today. I think I might have gotten confused because it says it was pot paint and I have to glaze it. And when I read the instructions, it says I need to go to a firing department, like a place that has a kiln. So yeah, I don't think I can do this hobby today, actually. Guess I need to do something else today. I think I might just actually maybe chill on the couch, get under a nice cozy blanket, maybe watch some Skillshare classes, because I really wanted to like increase my design skills. I was really thinking of going like into packaging design, or just learning more about it, because it seems really fun to me and I don't really have much experience in that field. So yeah, maybe I'll just do that today. Cozy up on the couch. And I can maybe just work on my other hobbies. But okay, so that's a shame. I guess I'm gonna have to do that hobby on another day. So I've just sat here a little bit doing some learning on Skillshare, and I currently am learning the ABC of packaging design for print, and this is by Beatrice Menace. And I have to say, it's really very helpful. She explains everything very nicely and she's very organized with all of her layers, and I kind of learned quite a bit from this course of hers. Like, some of the key things I learned was that she usually adds a bleed of 3 millimeters to most packaging. It just depends on what the actual packaging is, like how complex it might be. But usually it's 3 millimeters, and if it's for something very small, like a nail polish bottle, she just does 1 millimeter. And then I've also learned how she separates her layers using the separation preview and spot colors. And this is really helpful. And she even gives like a visual reference of how the product is meant to look with the label and packaging design on it. And just very, very helpful advice, really. Okay, I'm just gonna have a quick lunch and then I'm gonna get on to some hobbies. Cool, I'm just warming the soup and I got some mozzarella here that I'll melt onto this little roll. Not too much cheese. This is a lot of calories. I've actually been trying to like eat according to my calories, and it's been really difficult, especially yesterday. I don't know, but I was so hungry yesterday. Oh my word. I think I ate like a whole bag of chips last night. So yeah, I think I ate a week's worth of calories yesterday. But that's okay, you know? That's okay. You can do that sometimes. There's my soup. My soup's ready now. And it's raining. It's pouring down. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the washing because the other bundle's still in the washing machine. And the others are just getting wet outside now. And I don't feel like bringing them inside. I'm just gonna pour it. It's a lot of soup. It's just the mushroom cream soup. And just waiting for this little bread for the mozzarella cheese to melt. Okay, so I'm gonna go clean the house a little bit and try and find somewhere to place all of this washing. Then I might show you guys what I make for dinner tonight. Thinking maybe some meatballs and mash. I absolutely love mash. It's a lot of calories, but it's good. And maybe some gravy with that. Yeah, I'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna clean the house, get the washing hung up somewhere, and then play some more of this mobile game. And then I'll see what I feel like. Maybe I'll do some more paint gem kits. Thanks guys for joining me today. It was a nice little cozy day. Didn't do too much. Well, I mean, we kind of did a few things. We learned something new. We unboxed a hobby. We didn't do it, but we unboxed a hobby. We played some cozy games, cleaned the house. In between, I kind of recorded some videos and just planned out some videos, and I made some dinner. And now I'm gonna go eat some dinner with my husband, watch some series or a movie, and just take it easy for the rest of the day. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, or if you're interested in any more cozy hobby content or cozy vibes, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!